What is the author saying here? Oh, hey there! It's Olivia. You know, I've been reading this book for hours, and it's really hard to understand. I know what this calls for. A really close read. Close reading a text actually means reading very carefully. It's one step in the process of text analysis. So, what is analysis? It is a careful examination of a text's details, meaning, and effectiveness. The process of text analysis is pretty easy to learn. Here are the steps. After you've already read the text once, go back and read it a second time. This time, you do a close read. Close reading means reading really carefully and taking notes on things you notice. For instance, if the author repeats words or phrases or seems to be emphasizing certain images or ideas. For example, let's look at Robert Frost's poem, Fire and Ice. When I reread the poem, I notice that the author is repeating words with similar meanings. I'm highlighting them so I can come back to them later. Next, I need to develop a strong thesis. The thesis is the main point I'm going to make in my analysis. Looking at the words I highlighted in the poem, I realize that some words are about destruction, and some are about emotions. Maybe he's saying that strong emotions like desire and hate are harmful. And just like that, I found my thesis. Whew! Step 2 complete. My next task? Look for text evidence to support my thesis. If I can't find evidence, well, then it's probably not a very good thesis. But if I've done a close read of the text, finding text evidence is a snap. I think this is a great bit of evidence. This supports my thesis. Looking good! Now on to the last step. Next step in my analysis? I have to explain how my evidence supports my thesis. My explanation needs to be clear and specific so people can understand it easily. I think I've done it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I think that was a solid piece of text analysis. It all started with that close read. Now I'm on a roll with this assignment.